Hi everyone, just thought I'd share with you something today just to change little noodles that we often use, which are cheap, easy, but rather bland things to eat, into something a bit more tasty, a bit more nutritious, using up some spares in the fridge, which hopefully will make it into something that you'll enjoy and perhaps use more and more rather than just once in a blue moon, as these things tend to be. So here we go. So we've just got some super noodles, bog standard ones from the shops. These are from Bachelors, but any brand will really do. And what you get is just the dry noodles and a little sachet of some flavourings, and that's about it. But they're okay, but they're not really something you're going to enjoy too often. So to make it a little bit more healthy and a bit more easier, what I'm going to do with mine today is put some mushrooms, some spring onions, and some chopped chillies, and also a little bit of spinach. Spinach, you think, is that going to work? Actually it will, because it'll just quickly wither down and it'll just add that extra nice little bit of flavour to it. To go with that, a little bit of soy sauce. This is the low salt version, which we're going to try and be a bit healthier. And to cook it in something different, I'm going to use this carotene oil, which if you can read that, it says got vitamin E, pro-vitamin A, omega 3 and 6. Something just makes it a little bit tastier than the normal sort of olive oil or cooking oil that perhaps you'd use. So, okay, off we go. So typically what you get, dry noodles, and in this case it's chicken and herb flavouring, which we'll add a little bit later on once the other ingredients have cooked in a little bit. Okay, so here we are, I've just put the mushrooms into a little saucepan. This happens to be a milk saucepan, but it just happens to be the right size for it. And with that I've just put a shake of some herbs. Typical herbs that you can just get in a jar from the local supermarket, such as they've got on here. Again, they just add a little bit of flavour to something to make it even more tasty than it would be normally. So off we go, let's see how these cook. As you can see now, the mushrooms are starting to sweat down a little bit. I tend to leave things for a couple of minutes, don't put anything else with them, no water or anything else. Just let them cook down their own little juices, perhaps put a lid on for them, and then we'll add the other ingredients in due course. So as you can see, mushrooms now are starting to cook down, so I'm now going to add the chillies and the spring onions. They will come off the plate, stuck again, and the last one doesn't want to come off, not to worry, I'll pop them in later. As you can see now, this will start to cook down. Whoops, we're steaming up there. There we go. I'm going to let that cook on for a few more minutes. Okay, as you can see now, it's been a couple of minutes. These are now cooking quite well, so now we're going to add the 300 ml of water. We're now going to add in the flavourings. Bit awkward doing this one-handed, but we'll give it a whirl. And then we'll also add in the noodles. And don't worry at this moment in time, I think all the flavourings are all going to sort of stick together. They'll soon start to cook in, and we'll stir it around a little bit, and hopefully it should turn out great. So here we go. As you can see now, all the noodles are now starting to take the water up. So we're just going to add the last two ingredients and then we're good to go. So first of all, I'm going to put a little bit of soy sauce in. You do it to suit yourself. I actually quite a lot like this quite a lot. And then together we're also going to put in the last item. Oh, steamed up yet again. Sorry about that. A little bit of spinach. It looks a lot. It will all cook down very quickly as it starts to wilt. So just gently fold that in. You can see it there starting to go. And we'll come back in a couple of minutes and just see how we're doing now. So as you can see now, spinach is reduced right down now, so big handful actually doesn't go very far, so almost ready to put out now, so give me a moment and we'll put it out and see what. So hopefully you'll see now we've got a really quite a nutritious and tasty meal from simple noodles, just by adding a few ingredients into them that you might have in the fridge. Other things to try could be like carrots, could be peas, all sorts of things. Sorry, we're really steaming up here, aren't we? That's a little bit better. And there you go. See what your variation is going to be. This is my first time ever doing anything like this on YouTube. Handheld camera, nothing else, no microphones, no stands or anything, so excuse the amateurish side of it, but everybody's got to start somewhere, and why not start like these? Okay, thanks for watching and goodbye.